This clip shows us what it's like when it is snowing at sea. Snow at sea looks a lot like footage of the bottom of the deepest parts of the ocean, which is also called marine snow. Images showing how forced perspective was used to film Will Ferrell and Elf. Forced perspective is a technique which employs optical illusion to make an object appear farther away, closer, larger or smaller than it actually is. This is how they used it in Lord of the Rings to make Gandalf much bigger. A faster way to get pepper out of the shaker. Ovens connect their smoke. For an explanation to this video, please click the link in the description. This fountain in St. Paul has spouts aimed at each other that collide in mid-air. Wolves who travel in packs only stay in their own territory and avoid other wolves in different packs. This image is of GPS tracking of multiple wolves in 6 different packs around Voyageurs National Park, shows how much the wolf packs avoid each other's range.
Hey guys, I'm the creator of Reddit World, and I wanted to say thank you for watching and for 36,000 subscribers. I also apologize for the short video. Right now I'm focusing on commentary to add more originality so I can get monetized. I have 4 other videos uploaded and will be published every week. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on so that you never miss out on my videos. Thanks guys.
You